हेलो विद्वानों, गुड इवनिंग। भले ही मैं गुड इवनिंग कर रहा हूँ बट ये वीडियो अभी मिडनाइट में रिकॉर्ड किया जा रहा है बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि ये वीडियो इवनिंग में जाने वाला है, तो इसलिए मैं अभी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। तो ऐसी कौन सी नौबत आ गई है जो मुझे ये वीडियो रात को 1:17 का कुछ टाइम हो रहा है। द टाइम इन माई क्लॉक इज द 1:17 AM। तो ऐसी कौन सी नौबत आ गई जो मैं रात को 1:17 पे ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। इसका रीज़न ये है कि जिस टाइम मैंने ये क्लास शेड्यूल की थी शाम को 6 बजे, उसी टाइम मेरी एक और क्लास आ जाती है। और ये शाम को 6 बजे के टाइम पे मैं बहुत काफ़ी टाइम से क्लासेस ले रहा हूँ। आपने देखा होगा हर शाम को, हर फ्राइडे को शाम को 6 बजे मेरा कोई ना कोई वीडियो आता ही है। तो इसी क्रम को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए, इसी क्रम को कंटिन्यूस रखने के लिए मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके डालूंगा। तो आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हो सर पूरे दिन क्यों नहीं किया, अब ऐसा क्या हो गया। तो आज पूरे दिन में, मतलब आज गुरुवार, थर्सडे, पूरे दिन में मेरे बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स थे। आई टुक द 7 लेक्चर्स। सो बहुत पूरे दिन में टाइम नहीं मिला, बट मुझे लगा कि यार वीडियो रिकॉर्ड तो जाना चाहिए। तो सर वीडियो कल भी कर सकते थे। वीडियो कल इसलिए नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वीडियो को करने के बाद थोड़ी बहुत एडिटिंग की भी रिक्वायर्ड होती है, जो हमारी एडिटिंग टीम को जाता है। तो उनकी डिमांड थी कि सर वीडियो आज ही कर दीजिएगा ताकि हम उस पर छोटा मोटा अगर कोई काम करना होगा, रेंडरिंग वगैरह करना होगा, तो हम आसानी से टाइम रहते हुए कर पाएंगे। तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने कहा नहीं मुकेश, हो जा तैयार। अगर कमिटमेंट किया हुआ है तो तू क्यों ना रिकॉर्ड ही कर ले। तो मैंने ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने का निश्चय किया, और ताकि मैं मेरे बच्चों तक अपनी कमिटमेंट को पूरा करके पहुंचा सकूं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास। बेसिकली करने क्या वाले हैं इसमें, ये समझिए मैं कहीं ना कहीं आईबीपीएस क्लर्क प्रीलिम्स का पेपर डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। मैं अगेन आपसे कह रहा हूँ, आप ये समझिए कि इसमें कहीं ना कहीं क्लर्क प्रीलिम्स का पेपर डिस्कस हो रहा है। पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखिएगा, वीडियो को पॉज करके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिएगा। अगर बाद में देखिएगा, अगर आपने भी क्वेश्चंस वैसे ही सॉल्व किया है वेल एंड गुड, नहीं तो वो मेथड जरूर सीखिएगा। मैं भरोसा दिलवाता हूं आप सभी को कि इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, आपका लर्निंग लेवल जरूर ऊपर जाएगा। ये मेरा वादा है आपसे कि बहुत कुछ सीखोगे जरूर। ठीक है। तो मैंने इसके अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो आपके एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं, ना डिफिकल्ट ना इजी, एग्जैक्टली एग्जाम लेवल क्वेश्चन को मिक्स करके वीडियो बनाने का निश्चय किया है। तो चलते स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना रुके। तो सीधी बात करते हैं कि हमारे क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। यही, बिल्कुल यही है आईबीपीएस क्लर्क 3 का पेपर। देखिए नाम भी कैसा रखा गया है कि आईबीपीएस क्लर्क 3 का पेपर। क्लियर। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अपने सामने है गाइस। अगेन मैं सभी लोगों को कह रहा हूं, अगर आप क्वेश्चंस पहली बार सॉल्व कर रहे हो, मतलब अगर वीडियोस अभी देख ही रहे हो पहली बार, तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करते जाइएगा बीच बीच में और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते जाइएगा, ताकि आपका टेस्ट भी साथ साथ में चलता रहेगा। पहला क्वेश्चन है अल्फाबेटिकल सीरीज का। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है, इफ एम एडेड आफ्टर ईच वर्ड देन हाउ मेनी मीनिंगफुल वर्ड कैन बी फॉर्म्ड। ठीक है। तो भाई सबको पता है FORM फॉर्म तो बनता ही है, OLDM नहीं बन सकता, FARM फार्म भी बनता है, फॉर्म, WINM कुछ नहीं बनता है, और OURM, क्या ये कोई वर्ड होता है? क्या ऐसा भी कोई वर्ड होता है? मैं कहूंगा ऐसा शायद कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है। राइट आंसर होगा। ठीक है। बस इसी तरीके से इसी क्रम में हमें चलते रहना है और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहने हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। ये रहा हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, और इन दोनों क्वेश्चन को भी हम करने की कोशिश करते हैं। मैं अगेन आप लोगों से कहना चाहूंगा कि आप लोग एक बार वीडियो को पॉज करें और क्वेश्चन अपनी तरफ से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश जरूर करें, उसी से पता लगेगा कि आपको कितनी चीजें आ रही है गाइस. One of the humble request to you people as well, that please put pause on the video and try to solve the question at your own. ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता हूं मैं. अब मेरी बारी है. आई थिंक आपने सॉल्व किया होगा. नेक्स्ट दूसरा क्वेश्चन. इफ ऑल द लेटर्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स आर रिटन टुगेदर विदाउट स्पेस, thus formed a series are arranged in the alphabetical order, then how many English alphabets are there in between fourth letter from the right and the sixth letter from the left? Basically what you need to do, all the letters you need to write in the A to Z order. Then now the shortcut will come into the picture. Okay, fourth letter from the right, fourth letter from the right and sixth letter from the left. How many English alphabetical letters are there between these two letters? The question is really good. Now I'm not going to write all the words in alphabetical sequence, nothing. I'm not going to do anything. I know this is just the way to waste the time. W is going to be the first letter from the last. U is going to be the second letter from the last. Is it or not? I hope you are understanding, because this is only the important thing. Okay, and then which is going to be the third, fourth, and now I have the series of the R. Definitely this is going to be the one of the next letter after U and W. So one letter is my R. Fourth letter from the right is the R. Sixth letter from the left. Which letter will be the sixth letter from the left? A first, then D second, then which is in the series? F third, correct, then fourth, fifth, then sixth. Means L and R. How many letters are there between L and R? R is my 18th, L is my 12th. 18 minus 6 or 18 minus 12 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Right answer will be option number C. Okay, I hope you understood the shortcut. Now let me tell you the next question. So if we add the T letter before each word, then how many meaningful words can be formed? Okay, T-F-O-R, no. T-O-L-D is a really meaningful word. T-F-A-R is, there is no any such kind of the words. Twin, yes, we all know. And toe, there will be 3 words. So right answer will be option D. Now again one beautiful question. If all the letters within 3 letter word are arranged in the alphabetical order from left to right, if all the letters within, okay, means you need to write it as F O R, then L D L O, something like this. Okay, then left to right, thus form the words arranged in the dictionary. Matlab we need to arrange the words in the dictionary also. Then which word will be third in the list? Now how we can apply the shortcuts, guys? The words which is having the earliest letter will be the first. This is going to be the first word. Okay, this is going to be the second word, and this is going to be the third one, because this will start with A, this will start with D, and this will start with F. So right answer will be F-O-R. That is the option number 1. Okay, चलिए आगे चलते हैं. The next is one puzzle, guys. Please give a pause to video, then try to solve this, then just go with me and find the solutions with me. Okay, so I hope you have solved now. I hope you give a pose to it also, huh? That is the important things. Otherwise, if you will not give the pose, then no, nothing is going to help you. Chaliye. Now let me solve the question, guys. How many persons are there? There are 8 persons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These persons are sitting around a circular table facing center, facing inwards. Priya is sitting third to the right of Rashi. Priya is sitting third to the right of Rashi. I need to think that I should start question with this or not. Sanchit is sitting immediate left of Ananya. Priya is not sitting next to Rohan. Ananya is not neighbor to Priya and Rashi. It simply means there is no any such kind of the direct positive informations. I have to start the question with this one. Okay, so Priya is sitting third to the right of Rashi. Then I have to put the Rashi here. Clear? Now just put all the negative informations which we are having. Sanchit is sitting to the immediate left of Ananya. Sanchit is immediate left of Ananya. Okay, clear? Priya is not sitting next to Rohan, means Rohan is not going to come at this position and this position. Ananya is not neighbor of Priya and Rashi, means Ananya is not going to come here, 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 here. So, which is the position for the Ananya? This is the only the position for the Ananya. And then this is going to be for the Sanchit. Is it going to help you? ठीक है? Now let's see what's the next. Priya is not the neighbor of Sanchit by default भी नहीं है. Vishal and Rohan are sitting next to each other. Vishal and Rohan are sitting next to each other. And is there any negative data for any one of them? Rashi is not sitting next to Nikhil. Now I just need to look for the Vishal and who is the next? Rohan are sitting next to each other. Rohan is not going to here, and only these are the two places which are consecutive as well as vacant. So Vishal, then this can be the Rohan, and Nikhil and Rashi are not next to each other, then this can be the Nikhil and this can be the whatever the remaining is. So who is the remaining? The remaining is my nephew Karan. So this is your answer. Easy question, guys. We can really solve it quickly. Who is sitting second to the right of Nikhil? Second to the right of Nikhil is the Ananya. Right answer is the Ananya. I hope you also got it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Again, next question is one puzzle. I want you, all of you, to solve this question, guys. Okay, sorry. I want all of you to solve this question. And how? Please give a pause to video and then try to solve. So that's why you can say somewhere, yes, we have solved. Okay, so I hope you have solved now. Now let me solve what they have given. Months plus dates. Always think, guys, never solve this question in the horizontal arrangements. Always use the vertical arrangements. What the vertical arrangements is. Like there are two dates 12, 12, 23, 12, 23, 12, 23, 12, 23. Feb, April, May, November. Feb, April, May, November. Is it going to be like this? Always you should try to solve the question in this way only. This is really going to save your time. Honestly, much time. First information. Okay, I'm not covering the content, so let's my camera on. Okay, I think it will help us to solve the other parts, and let me write, so let it be off only. So what is H and G born on the 12th of the month? H and G are going to on the 12th. I cannot fix the information. Not more than 3 persons are elder than G. Not more than 3 persons are elder than G, then and G is on the 12th, then definitely I can say that I can write G here and here only. If I'm going to build the two cases, then I will get it like this. Okay, only and only this. Got understood? Not more than 3%, and G is, if I'm going to write the G here, then I will have the more than 3% older than G. Okay, at least 4 persons are younger than H. At least 4 persons are younger than H, and H is also on the 12th, so I have to put H here, and in this one I have to put H here. Now guys, I always believe to do the questions in the sequence rather than the parallel manner, because there are at least 50% chance of you to get the answer in the first arrangement, and you will save 50% time. Only 2 persons born between D. Okay, first this one. Only 3 persons are younger than G but elder than D. Younger than G but elder than D, then D has to be has here. Now, only 2 persons are born between D and A, and D gap of 2, A can be here, A can be here, but there is a line that A who is not the youngest person. So I have to write A here. Only 2 persons born between D and A who is not the youngest person. Number of persons younger than A and elder than C are the same. Number of persons younger than A and elder than C. So where I can put the C, C has to be here. Younger than A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in above C there are also again 6. Next, I think I will get answer in the first case only. D and B born in the same month. D and B born in the same month. Here, F is younger than E and B. F is younger than E and B means F has to be has here and E has to be has here. This is not required at all. Who is the eldest person? Then I can say eldest person is the G. I hope you also got the same answer. If you not got, you have not used the same method, guys, I strongly recommend you to solve using this kind of the method only. This is going to save your time and efforts as well. Okay, let's move to the next question, and how the blood relations will not be the part of your papers. It's a really important type and important question for your prelims exam. So let's see how we can solve. There are 6 persons in the family. There are 3 couples. How we should start? This is the really important line. 3 couples. So you have to take care of this. N is married to Z. N is married to Z. Who is the father-in-law of K? Means Z is the father-in-law. Then N has to be has the mother-in-law. And father-in-law of K always make like this, because we are not aware about the gender of this person. N has 2 children, means basically Z also has 2 children. Both of them are combinedly having 2 children. Clear? K is the sister-in-law of B. Sir, K is the sister-in-law of B, then B will be most probably here and definitely will be here due to this line. Who is the daughter of N? Clear? M, who is not the husband of K, is brother-in-law of D. And M, who is not the husband of K, then definitely it has to be has here because there are three married couple. And the brother-in-law of D, then it should be here. There are three couples, 6 families, 2 generations. M is, question is, M is Z's what? M is Z's son-in-law. M is Z's son-in-law. Okay, so this is going to be the help you in this manner. Okay, I hope got it. If not, then please tell me. I'm going to help you. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Let's see how we can solve the next part. What we need to do here. Please tell me what we need to do here. Direction. Quite easy kind of the questions. Very easy kind of things. Point K is 10 meter west of the T. Point K is the 10 meter west of the T. Is it? No sir, I made it wrong. Please confuse मत होइएगा मेरी तरफ. Point K is west of 10 meters west of T. Point S is 6 meters south of T. Point S is 6 meters south of T. Point P is 5 meters west of S. Point P is 5 meters west of S. Okay. Point P is 4 meters north of L. Point P is 4 meters north of L. This was the 5 meters. Okay, north of L. Point L is 10 meters south of O. 10 meters south of O. This is the 4 meter. This is the 6 meter. Then this is also going to be the 6 meter. Then point L is the 10 meters south of O. How far is O from the point K? How far point O from the point K? This is 5. Then this is definitely 5. And then this is also definitely 5 because total was 10. So K and O are having the distance of the 5 meters. I hope you understood. ठीक है, चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Oh, easiest questions. One of the very easiest questions which always students love the students, which loved by the students. So inequality, 10 seconds questions, arrow methods. Guys, I can give the confidently the commitment that arrow method is the best ever methods. Okay, so how? P to R. P to R. Can I draw the arrow from P to R? P to G, there is no G. But P to L, L to T. T to R, one sign is there, definitely true. Arrow should be drawn from T to G. How you can draw the arrow from T to G? T to P, then P to G. T to L, L to P, and then P to G. One sign is there. Right answer is both conclusions are definitely true. I hope you are getting the answer. Next is this. How you arrow should be drawn from C to L. C to L directly it's easily can be drawn. C to T, R, P, L. But this sign is not permissible between this. So this is wrong. Arrow should be drawn from T to L. But T to R, P, L easily can be drawn. T to J. L, K and J. Yeah, correct. Only 2 follows. Right answer will be only 2 follows. Okay, let's do this. Oh, really one beautiful question where students really makes mistakes. Okay, so using first, third, fourth, fifth and 12th. First is the H. Okay, third is the L. fourth is the U, fifth is the C, and 12th is the sixth, fifth, then 7th, 9th, 11th, 12th. N. What letter word you can make? H, U, no. H, U, N, C, L, no. L, U, yeah, I got the word. L, U, N, C, H. So, which is the last letter from the right that newly formed word? Last letter from the right, that is the letter L. Please confuse मत होइएगा, last letter ये मत कर दीजिएगा. Okay, so last letter from the right, this is the first letter from the right. So that is the L, and D is your answer. Okay, let's do this. Again, beautiful question. How many such pairs of the letters are there in the word depression, in which each of which has as many letters between them as in the English alphabetical series? Depression. D, always count start. D, then E. I got a pair D, E. Now I just will count the next. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. No sir, there is no any other pair of the D as well as E, because these two are the continuation ना. अब आगे D का नहीं बनेगा तो E का भी नहीं बनेगा. There will be no pair from the E. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S. T, U, V, W. No sir. Then P, Q, R, no sir. R, S, T, U, V, W, no sir. R, S, T, U, no sir. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, no sir. E, F, G, H, I, no sir. S, T, U, V, W, and there is no bigger letter, so no need to count. Then I do not think that you will have any counts. Then I think any I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, no sir. N and O. This is going to be the boundary. N and O. And there is O का pair इधर नहीं बना था, there will be no pair of N as well. So right answer is the option D, 3 pairs. I already drawn here. Let's move to the next question, and this is one puzzle, guys. I want you to first give a pause to video and then try to solve the question. Okay, give a pause to video, then try to solve the question. Otherwise it's not going to help you. My solution is not going to help you. So please give a pause to video and then please try to solve. I hope you have solved. Now let me solve. 7 persons belonging to the sports club play different sports. Okay, to I just want to guys, just trying to make a table here ताकि systematically मैं आपको क्वेश्चन करके बता सकूं. Okay, that is my idea, nothing else. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. ये भी बड़े कहाँ हो रहे हैं. चलिए, no issue. अगर जितना हो जाता है. So let me write the words. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, these are the 7 persons who need to be arranged. Now let me increase this size. Yes, perfect. Now this is going to help us. So how we need to solve these things? Now let me tell you. Okay, how you can solve these things. This is my complete table where I will solve the puzzle. Okay, these are the 7 persons. They are playing the 7 musical instruments and they are playing the 7 different sports. So where is my first points? B plays cricket. Bees play cricket. Okay, okay. The one who plays, नहीं कहाँ गया ये, बी प्लेस क्रिकेट एंड वायलिन. सो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका वायलिन. ओके, बी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा एंड देन वायलिन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. वायलिन, लेट मी मेक इट क्लियर. नाउ where is the next? E likes to play kabaddi. Kabaddi, it should be like this, but not harmonium and guitar. Harmonium and guitar. The one who plays snookers plays saxophone. Snooker वाला saxophone यूज कर रहा है. F plays drum. डायरेक्ट लिख दें. Okay, but does not swim and play golf. Swim, golf. 8 tracks and play flute. It should be like this. The one who plays golf does not play guitar. Golf does not play guitar. गोल्फ वाला गिटार नहीं कर रहा है. G plays snooker. G plays snooker means I have to put the snooker here. Okay, and C plays harmonium. It is like this. Swimming and golf cannot be here. Swimming and golf cannot be here. And snookers play saxophone. It should be like this. Okay, snookers play saxophone. Golf wala guitar nahi aayega. So I cannot play golf here because it has to be the has guitar. So I have to put the golf there. And then which is the remaining? Then this is the remaining is the swimming. Clear? यहाँ पे और स्विमिंग यहाँ पे आ गया, तो यहाँ पे ओवरऑल जो बचा है that is our chess. Clear? And which is the final here remaining? That is the piano, if I'm not wrong. Okay, who plays guitar? Who plays guitar? So guitar कौन play कर रहा है? The D. Right answer is the D. Is it correct or not? I hope you like it. Really good question for your clerical prelims exam. Next question is from numerical number series, guys. Really easy kind of the questions. I really don't want to spend too much time. How many 2's are there in the sequence which are followed by the greater number than 2? 2 followed by the more than 2. 2 followed by the more than 2. 2 followed by the more than 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, more than 2. बस. No, sorry, number greater than 5. So this is not going to be the answer. Okay, right answer will be the 2. 2 is followed by 6. 2 is followed by the 7. That's it. Let's do this. Oh, now there is a trick. Beautiful question, guys. If in the given sequence all the even numbers are decreased by the 1, please listen carefully and read question carefully. then how many ones are there which has a number preceding it greater than the number which is followed by the it? Means how many ones are there here? Suppose there is a x, then here should be the greater than x value. Basically, in all this exercise, there is no logic of reducing and even by the one. Let's see how. Suppose I will consider this 2. अब इसका कम करो नहीं करो, 3 will be always higher. This is going to be the counted. This is not going to be counted because it will be 7, but this is 3. Rejected. This is going to be the counted. Right answer should be the 2. Simple, pretty straightforward. Really easy question, but students takes time because वो पढ़ते हैं, उलझ जाते हैं पढ़ने में. Next question is from syllogism. Without syllogism, paper पूरा कैसे हो सकता है? Only few toes are carries. Some odds are taught. Okay, which of the following is going to be the true? All torts can never be odds. All torts can be odds. Wrong. Some odds are not carries. No sir, odds. All odds might be carries. All carries can never be torts. All carries can be always torts. But all torts can never be carries. At least some odds are carries. Some odds are carries. No sir, wrong. Right answer is going to be the none of the given. None follows or the none of the given. चलिए नेक्स्ट करते हैं. हार्डली एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर इंटेंस. हार्डली एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर इंट्रैक्ट. तो सॉरी, इन हार्डली मेरे को यहाँ पे हार्डली नहीं लिखना था, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिखना था. ठीक है, तो इसको आप सिंपल सम में ले लीजिए. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर इंटेंट. Okay, and some contracts are union. All contracts being union is a possibility. All contracts being union is a possibility. All intents being union is a possibility. Right answer both follows option number 5. Okay, so guys, we are finally moving to the last question of the day of this paper. All ones are tails. All ones are tails. No tail is ham. And all hams are flack. It should be like this. Some flacks are hams, outer circle to inner circle. Some always need to be valid. No ham is one, outer circle का no inner पर भी लगता है. This will be the derived no. This is also be the valid. Right answer will be option number 5. Okay guys, उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. वीडियो को देखा होगा आपने. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. अगर आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है तो आज रात को 1:55 पर बनाया हुआ इस वीडियो का वर्थ पूरा हो गया है. मैं खुश हूँ. वीडियो अच्छा लगा है लाइक जरूर करिए. अपने दोस्तों के साथ में शेयर करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलें. अगर ऑलिवबोर्ड चैनल अभी तक भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. ओके गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच.